One step, that's all it takes. One step too close, and suddenly the ground beneath them isn't solid anymore. Suddenly the air feels sharper, heavier, like it's hiding something they don't understand. They thought you were just another shadow passing by, another nameless figure lost in the noise of the crowd. But they were wrong. You weren't the shadow, you were the knife hidden within it. And the truth is, knives don't have to move fast to be deadly. They wait, silent, still, patient, until someone leans in too far, until curiosity drags them closer than they should ever be. And when they do, the cut is inevitable, not always the kind that bleeds. Sometimes it's the kind that wakes them up, the kind that tears through the walls of comfort they built around themselves. One step too close, one cut too deep, and from that moment forward, they are never the same. Most people walk through life half asleep. They follow the same routines, repeat the same words, chase the same hollow comforts. They build walls of routine around themselves and call it safety. They think their little boxes can protect them from reality, from anything sharp enough to break through. They laugh, they scroll, they gossip, convinced they're untouchable, convinced nothing could ever reach inside and expose the truth they avoid. But illusions are fragile things. It only takes one presence, one spark, one cut to shatter the glass they hide behind. And when they step too close to you, they feel it. That edge they didn't know was waiting, that truth they never wanted to face. They thought they were safe, wrapped in their predictable little world. But you were the reminder that safety is only an illusion, and illusions never survive the blade of reality. They never forget the moment it happens, the moment their illusion cracks and the cut goes deeper than they ever expected. You don't just touch them, you mark them. A scar carved into the soft fabric of who they thought they were. Some will hate you for it, calling you dangerous, cruel, even monstrous. Others will be drawn in closer, fascinated, unable to look away. They'll try to understand what makes you different, what makes you unbreakable, but they'll never truly grasp it. Because the mark you leave isn't something that can be studied or explained. It is felt. It lingers in their thoughts, in their sleep, in the quiet moments when they can't escape themselves. You don't just leave a scar, you leave a lesson. And that lesson is born from a power they can't touch, a power that wasn't handed to you. It wasn't gifted by luck or circumstance. No, it was forged in silence, in pain, in endless nights where you sharpened yourself alone. Each wound you endured became another edge, each loss another blade. You carved yourself into something unforgettable. That is why the knife was never truly in your hand. It was in your presence, your words, your fire. People feel it before they even realize what they've stepped into. They don't fear the steel, they fear the truth. Because when someone faces the truth, they have only two choices: fear it or worship it. And oh, how most of them choose fear. They recoil, they lash out, they call you names. They pretend you are the problem, not the mirror you held up to them. But a few, just a few, will stand frozen, mesmerized by what they've just seen. They will cling to you, study you, obsess over you, desperate to hold on to the only thing that ever felt real. Fear or worship, those are the only paths. And either way, they can never go back to the life they had before you. But watch them closely. Their fear betrays them. Listen to the words they spit out when they tremble. Freak, monster, outsider, too much, not normal. Every insult is a confession. a confession of their own weakness, their own smallness, their own inability to face what you represent. They don't call you dangerous because you are weak. They call you dangerous because you are strong. They don't label you monstrous because you are broken. They label you monstrous because you are whole in ways they can never be. Their words aren't daggers, they're cracks in their own armor, and every time they speak them, they prove you were right. And while they dwell in that weakness, you rise, you keep moving, sharpening, evolving into something they can't define. While they sit trapped in their yesterday, you are already shaping tomorrow. They try to rewrite history to make themselves feel safe, but the truth still cuts through them. It haunts them, even when you are long gone, because you don't stop, you don't freeze in their fear. You grow sharper, harder, more untamed, and that terrifies them even more than the first cut did. You become something larger than a name, larger than a person. You are a reckoning, a storm, a force of nature they can't contain or explain. Every step you take reminds them of everything they are too weak to face. You don't blend in, you don't play by the rules they cling to. You burn the idea of normal to the ground and dance in the ashes, because normal is nothing more than a cage built by the fearful to trap the extraordinary. And you, oh, you were never meant to be caged. The world has never belonged to the ordinary. It belongs to the ones who dared, the ones who refused to shrink, the ones who embraced being too much, freaks, monsters, angels. They are the ones who bend reality, who rewrite the script, who take power without asking permission. And you stand among them, not because you fit in their boxes, but because you shattered them, because you refuse to trade your fire for their comfort, because you carry the truth they run from. So let them fear, let them envy, let them whisper and scheme in the shadows. None of it matters, because while they waste their lives trying to fit in, you live unchained. Every breath you take, every word you speak, every step you claim, it reminds them that they are trapped and you are free. That's why they can't stop staring. That's why they can't forget you. That's why one step too close, one cut too deep, changes them forever. And in the end, that is the lesson they will carry, whether they admit it or not. They can call you names. They can try to erase your presence. They can bury your memory under noise and lies. But the truth remains. The truth cuts deeper than any blade ever could. And you are that truth. You are the one thing they can never control, never contain, never forget. So let the world fear you. Let them worship you. Let them try and fail to define you, because you are not just a person. You are the knife, the cut, the awakening, and you were never meant to be anything less.